right, thank you so much for being here, spending time with me today. I hope everybody is having a great week so far. I am going to be cash stuffing for a new car, but pretty much it's car maintenance right now because we're trying not to run our credit or anything like that because we might have some things coming up in the future. So, in the near future. So that is kind of on hold, but I do want to keep stuffing for it. But as of right now, that money, if something happens with one of our vehicles, that's what it's going to go for. But if nothing happens with our vehicles, then it's going to be going for a new car. This is my husband's money that I have been stuffing every week, and next is 149, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and get this colored in. And let's get this all put away in here, and this is now at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 4, 6, 8, 300, 320, 340, 350, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 364. Oops, I was thinking that was in the envelope here. And get this put in here. Oh, there's the thunder. All right, so we're gonna move that out of the way for the time being. And then, of course, it is good old taxes. So I think what I'm going to start with again is this one, like Monday. So let's go across the top. That's 5, and along the side, 4. So that's going to be $200. 1, 2 lines, and then this, I'm going to have to be going to the bank. So I want to possibly complete the page of the other challenge. I'm not going to count this. I'm just putting that $200 in. So I'm going to move that out of the way. Let's move this up, and let's see, depending on what this is, I'm going to try finishing it. It's 100 to finish. Okay, that works out. So let's move that. And then this comes from here. Let's take this money out, grab 100 from back here. And this all comes from everybody from Etsy and YouTube that I've been saving up for taxes for this purpose. So there's $300 that is going to go into my savings for my taxes. Okay, so next what I do is my holiday binder on Wednesdays. My cat's messing with something over there. And first is birthday, so let's get this here. $9. And then one of these, so we're gonna do 29 today. Let me get one of these colored in. And here, let's go 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, I feel good to be getting that built back up because I cleared it for Mr. Hudson's birthday. Mother's Day. It's gonna get 10. Oops, let's just put that 10 back. I like this binder to be condensed because I have a lot of stuff in here. 120, 40, 60, 80, wait, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's $200 in there. And then Father's Day. Okay, let's finish this one for $10. So that page is completed, and we are gonna do 10 in here. So this one has 120, 40, 60, 80. This one's $20 behind Mother's Day. but Mother's Day is a whole month before Father's Day. Anniversary, this, once this one gets to 200, I'll stop. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 30. 130, because we don't get out very often. Here, my husband stole my black markers. I was giving him a hard time with it this past weekend, but this one is $5 to complete this challenge. So that comes from here. Wrong one. $5. 20, 40, 60, 75. Black Friday gets 5. 20, 40, 60, 75. Those should be exactly the same. I do the same every week for them. And then Christmas comes from here. And let's see what we get today. All right, $35. That's exactly what I wanted to put in there. 20, 35, but I see I have another $20, 10, 15, 20. And actually what I'm gonna do, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm gonna put that over here, and for the taxes money, I'm gonna take this 100 out, have this one condensed. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, and 470. Make sure I'm recording. All right, that's it for holidays for the week. Then now we are on to my new car binder. And on the back side here, let's get this back, and this die here for right here. That is 40. $20, $40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 75. 775. Oops, I still need that. I just need this. Let's put that there, move this up a little bit. Let's just grab this pen. Okay, D12, make sure you can see that is 1 and 12. Where's my calculator? Way over here. So we're at 13. Is that 1 again? I'm gonna move this around because I can't see with that light. That is a 1. Make sure you can still see it. I think so. And 10. So we're gonna go plus 11. And one more. Another 11. So 35, let's make sure. 13 plus 22, 35. It is getting windy out there. 35, 20, 35, and this one I don't count. But I have been working on this one for a long time, and if I have extra money, just like last month, I did all that red last month, so if I have extra money, I will come back to that. This next one comes from this challenge. And I was right here. Let's grab that brown marker, seeing as I don't have a black marker. We need a D6. Or wait, is that what I was rolling was a 6? I'm pretty sure that's what I was rolling was a 6. Yeah, 6-sided die. 1, 2, 3. So yellow is, you just missed the light, save your determined amount and roll again. So there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green space, green light, save your predetermined amount and roll again, which I saved at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I didn't get any of those reds in there. And I'm at the road ends, I don't need to roll again. And yellow space, you save the predetermined amount, which is 10. Okay, so I'm gonna count this one as completed. So let's get this. Throw that down there. So for that, ooh, it is windy. I am adding in 25. I thought I was gonna get a lot more for right there with all that red right there. Okay, so this challenge saved me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 55, right? 155, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 155. Let's take this out, and I'm just gonna set that right back there. Boho campers. Oops, I didn't even take all that out. I am probably not gonna finish this one today. Is that just 3? That is just 3. I thought it was 23. Here. Okay, $18. 10, 18. Actually, I'll just put 2 back, not 3 back, and take a 20. There we go. Okay, and then my high scratch off challenge here. This one is from Budget Crafts by Kendra. And this one makes me nervous, but I love it. I love the ones that make me nervous. $25, not bad. I think that's the lowest one I've had so far. 20, and then for the 5, we're gonna put 15 back and take another 20. So out of 300, this has 51, 20, 40, 60. Over halfway now. Okay, and then this one I have been doing with a D6. So let's get some of these numbers rolled. 6, 1, and 6. So 13 going in here. Put 2 back and take 15. This one I'm doing the multiplication one. I'm doing all the low ones first. What did I say I wanted to do? Let's do this one right here. This big old one is 30. There we go. 30 going in there. 20, 30. This one has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, and 160 out of 515. So still got a long ways to go on that one. And my challenge here, let's get this out, and this, and the calculator. Okay, I had to stop the video for a second. Okay, now, I have not scratched any of these yet. Let's see. I stopped there, 37, because if I could finish that one that I was talking about, I'd love to do that. 20, 30, 5, 36, and 37. This one is at 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 93. Oops. Oops, wrong thing here. Let's see what this one has today for me. $17, 10, 15, 16, 17. This one will be 65 when it's done. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. 54. I did add some new ones in, but I don't think I'm going to start them today. But I am going to do this one. I started this one last month from Nita, and I am going to do another row for $5 each for 20 total. All right, so this one's at 40. There comes the thunder. Okay, and then here comes from this book. I will have to steal my black marker back, but instead of doing $2 for each one, I do $2 times those D6 when I roll. And I will just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and then I'll get it colored in later because I'll need that marker. So it's gonna be 10 plus 2, 4, 8. This one is 10. And then last one here is gonna be another 10. So this one's gonna get 44 today. Like that, 44. 20, 40. Put one back and take a 5. And because I'm using a multiplier, I will not count it. And I'll start this one if I can get this challenge completed, because I have been working on this one since I started this binder. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, let's get that D12 back. And the pen. That is 3 and 9 and 6 and 10. So we got 16 plus 9 plus 3, so we are at 28. 25, 6, 7, 8. Next row. 1, 12, 3, that one's 6, 4, 5, 8, 7, 8, and 7. So that row saved 13 plus 9 plus 9 plus 15 plus 15. So 61. 20, 40, 50, 60, 61. Okay, I should be able to finish it. That one is 6. Ooh, that thunder. That's 6 again. 3, 3, 5, 12. That one's 6 again. 6 again. 10. And that one's 9. So this row saved 12 plus 6 plus 5 plus 12 plus 12 plus 19, 66. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, and 66. Okay, now will be the fun part. See how much this challenge saved total. Because I want to get this into my high yield savings so that I can start getting interest. I don't get a ton of interest, but free money is free money. Whoops, this is gonna go right with this. Okay, this challenge saved me 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 700, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $710. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, man, it is windy. Keep looking out my window. Okay, so we did that. Let's do this one. So I added this one in Budgeting by Dina US, and it is 45 on this side, 75 on this side. I am going to start with this side, and I am going to do it as a D3 multiplier. Whoops. We're going to go 7, times 3 is 21. 5, 10, 15, 20, 1. And then the rest of that money is going to come back here into this catch-all that I have. And I need the orange marker is what I was doing. All right, this one is at 20, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, $50. Okay, so that is 2 completed challenges. That is for here and here. Whoops. Move those up there. So this is all going to get sent over to the high yield savings. I have to go make the deposit. What I need is, where did that binder go? Right here. For new car, I don't know what the date is, but I can look and write it down after I get done recording. I know I have an envelope for new car somewhere. There it is. Right now in my high yield savings, I have $4,595. And I'm going to add in 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 500. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20, 40. So that's 240 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So I'm going to add 865 to 4595, and that will be $5,460 in there for car maintenance or new car. Sorry, this type of weather makes me nervous. I don't like it, and it's nighttime. But that is it for this video. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. I appreciate you all. I love you all. I hope everybody has an amazing rest of the week, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.